Ever feel like your kitchen takes up too much of your time? What if I told you that a few simple hacks could save you effort, money, and stress every single day? Welcome to today's video, where I'll share practical kitchen hacks that are easy to use, save time, and make everyday cooking smoother. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or just someone who wants to cook smarter, these tips will transform how you use your kitchen. Simple definition: kitchen hacks are small but effective techniques that help you prepare, store, and cook food more efficiently without buying expensive tools or wasting ingredients. Step-by-step practical guide. 1. Keep herbs fresh by wrapping them in a damp paper towel and storing them in a sealed container. 2. Place a wooden spoon across a boiling pot to stop water from spilling over. 3. Use an ice cube tray to freeze leftover sauces or broth for quick single-use portions. 4. Peel garlic easily by shaking the cloves in a sealed jar for a few seconds. 5. Reheat pizza in a pan instead of the microwave to keep the crust crispy. Tools explained. For these hacks, you'll mainly need airtight containers, ice cube trays, a sturdy wooden spoon, a frying pan, and basic kitchen jars. These are everyday tools most kitchens already have. Quick tips: always label frozen items with a date to avoid waste. Use kitchen scissors for cutting herbs quickly. Warm a spoon before scooping honey to avoid sticking. Cost comparison: buying pre-chopped herbs or ready-made sauces costs more than storing your own. Freezing leftovers in small portions can cut grocery waste by up to 20%. A wooden spoon hack costs nothing compared to cleaning stove messes or replacing damaged cookware. Mini workflow: store your herbs fresh, freeze your sauces, and keep a spoon by your stove. When it's time to cook, you'll save minutes with garlic ready to go and pizza reheated perfectly. These steps flow together naturally, reducing effort every time you cook. Professional notes: these hacks aren't just quick fixes, they're used in professional kitchens too. Chefs often freeze stock in small portions, reheat food the right way to preserve texture, and prepare ingredients in advance to save time during peak cooking hours. Today you learned how to keep herbs fresh, prevent parts from boiling over, freeze sauces smartly, peel garlic with ease, and reheat pizza without losing its crunch. Simple steps, big results. If these hacks made your life easier, share this video with a friend who loves cooking. Don't forget to subscribe for more everyday kitchen solutions that save time, money, and energy.